Ford, we need you guys to do a campaign with us.
We're cruising on down Main Street. We're relaxed and feeling. I'm gonna pass that point where they said there's a
Something in the neighborhood. Ain't no red.
Good point. Take a picture of this. We never do that.
I thought we did that before.
Well, we don't do it anymore.
Yeah, we did it before. Yeah, we did it.
Well, we don't. So. Look at that water.
Oh, nice. Oh, want some? You guys, we're at our favorite hotel. We love staying here when we come to Dallas. It's really good. You guys, it's water, fruit infused water. It's very good.
I'm going to taste the orange in it.
Yeah, you can.
Fine. We like staying on the fifth. Oops. We like staying on the 5th floor.
You requested it?
That's us. I don't know if it's
Love my hair.
I think we've stayed in this room before.
It's a corner.
I hope it is.
Dang.
I think we stayed this one in this room.
Mm-hmm.
It's 22 during Christmas.
It's got a shower only, right?
He said it's supposed to. Oh, I need a bang. Oh, no, wait, I'm just saying this.
Wait, hold it up for me. All right, thanks. What? Hi.
Okay.
Ow.
All right. All right, yeah. Give us the cream, okay? I like this. Can I get 544, please? I like that.
That's cute.
So it's cute.
Soats, not totes. So it's not, okay, so the closet is over here. Or armoire is over here.
Julie backing me.
Who?
Julie backing me. Oh, that's the pool. Beautiful. Good night. Okay.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, the pool is really nice too. It is pretty. It's nice. Because when we come to Dallas, we have to go to Taco Casa all the time. Hey guys, so I am ready to hit this baby shower. I have my Radley London bag and my cute look. Hey guys, so we're on our way home back to Atlanta. Dallas was really good. We enjoyed ourselves, but we're ready for our own bed. Yes. Okay. Sure, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Did you just wipe this off? Did you just wipe this off?
Yeah.
It feels wet. called? Maple salsa?
Mango.
Oh, mango. Oh. Yeah. I guess that would be good for chips, but not for salads.
So all we have left to get is olives, and then we'll get these things.
Hello.
Like a real taco.
Again, because guess what? We like it here.
Hair is blowing. We're sitting outside.
I like outside though. I just wish that it wasn't as windy.
We barely eat outside.
I know, right? It's a new thing.
That sounds like Tina Campbell.
Oh wow, I can see her doing it.
What is that?